everybody, welcome to English to Go. Today we are talking about connected speech. So when we are talking, we tend to connect words and put them in a more compact way. When we write English, each word is separate. There are spaces between the words. But that's not how we speak it. If we did, we would sound like robots. Okay, so now let's practice, shall we? I'm going to say a sentence and you have to guess how many words there are in the sentence. If I'd known what was going to happen, I probably wouldn't have gone. If I'd known what was going to happen, I probably wouldn't have gone. "15 words. If we'd be going much faster, we might all have been killed. If we'd be going much faster, we might all have been killed." Let's go. Give it a try. We couldn't have afforded it if he hadn't taken his credit card. We couldn't have afforded it if he hadn't taken his credit card. One more. Things would have been perfect if the engine hadn't caught fire. Things would have been perfect if the engine hadn't caught fire. Next one. If she'd gone by plane, it would have been simpler. If she'd gone by plane, it would have been simpler. Now the last one, try to get it right. We wouldn't have crashed into him if he hadn't braked suddenly. We wouldn't have crashed into him if he hadn't braked suddenly. So, did you enjoy that? Now remember, connected speech can help you sound more natural. Remember that when you're speaking English. Hope to see you next time, and I also hope you enjoyed today's tips. Bye bye!